Hello students, welcome to your channel. Please like, share and subscribe your own channel, School Studies. Now you might be thinking why to subscribe my channel, School Studies. In this channel, you will get daily one video related to different topic or subject such as English grammar, general knowledge, social science, mathematics and science, which will help you to understand and learn more. Today we will see a video related to mathematics subject. Hello students, today we will see NCERT solution for standard 6th, chapter 3 playing with numbers. In that today we will see 3.7 exercise. Till now we have completed with 3.1 to 3.6 exercise. This is 3.7 exercise. In that let's see question 1. The first question is Renu purchased 2 bags of fertilizer of weights 75 kg and 69 kg. Find the maximum value of weight which can measure the weight of the fertilizer exact number of times. So given weight of 2 bags of fertilizer is 75 kg and 69 kg. So maximum weight equals to HCF of 2 bags of weight. So HCF we will find. So 75 HCF, that is 3 into 5 into 5. And 69 3 into 23. So common factor in both is 3. Hence 3 kg is the maximum value of weight which can measure the weight of fertilizer exact number of times. Question 2. 3 boys step off together from the same spot. Their steps measure 63 centimeter, 70 centimeter and 77 centimeter respectively. What is the minimum distance each should cover so that all can cover the distance in complete steps? So first boy stepped measure 63, second boy 70 and third boy 77. We will find the LCM of 63, 70 and 77. So this is the LCM by factorization method. The factors are 2, 3, 3, 5, 7, 11. So 2 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 7 into 11 is 6,930. Hence 6,930 centimeters is the distance each should cover so that all can cover the distance in complete steps. Question 3. Length, breadth and height of a room are 825 centimeter, 675 centimeter and 450 centimeter respectively. Find the longest tape which can measure the 3 dimensions of the room exactly. So the given length of room is 825 centimeter, breadth is 675 and height is 450. We will find the HCF of this 3. So 3 into 5 into 5 into 11 is 825. 3 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 5 is 675. 2 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 5 is 450. The HCF, the common factors in this are 3 into 5 into 5. That is 75 centimeter. Hence the longest tape is 75 centimeter which can measure the 3 dimension of the room exactly. Fourth question, determine the smallest 3-digit number which is exactly divisible by 6, 8 and 12. So LCM of 6, 8 and 12 is, we will find the LCM. So LCM is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. That is 24. Now we need to find the smallest 3-digit number of 24. We know that 24 into 4 is 96 and 24 into 5 is 120. Hence 120 is the smallest 3-digit number which is exactly divisible by 6, 8 and 12. Next, fifth question. Determine the greatest three-digit number exactly divisible by 8, 10 and 12. So we will find the LCM of 8, 10 and 12. So LCM of 8, 10 and 12 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. That is 120. So now we need to find the greatest three-digit multiples of 120. We may find 120 into 8, that is 960, and 120 into 9, that is 1080, that is 1080. Hence 960 is the greatest three-digit number exactly divisible by 8, 10 and 12. Next, sixth question. The traffic lights of three different road crossings change after every 48 seconds, 72 seconds and 108 seconds respectively. If they change simultaneously at 7 a.m., at what time will they change simultaneously again? So we will find the LCM of 48, 72 and 108. So the LCM is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. Hence, lights will change together after every 432 seconds. The lights will change simultaneously at 7 minutes 12 seconds. We will convert this 432 seconds into minutes and seconds. Next question is, 3 tankers contains 403 liters, 434 liters and 465 liters of diesels respectively. Find the maximum capacity of the container that can be measured the diesel of the 3 containers exact number of times. So we will find the HCF. So HCF of 403, 434 and 465 is 31. Hence, a container of 31 liter can measure a diesel of 3 containers exact number of times. Next question is 8th one. Find the least number which when divided by 6, 15 and 18 leave remainder 5 in each case. So we will find the LCM of 6, 15 and 18. So LCM is 2, 3, 3, 5, that is 90. Required number 90 plus 5, that is 95. Hence 95 is the required number. The next question, 9th one. Find the smallest 4-digit number which is divisible by 18, 24 and 32. So we will find the LCM of 18, 24 and 32. So LCM of 18, 24 and 32 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. That is 288. Here we need to find the smallest 4-digit multiples of 288. We find 288 into 3, that is 864, and 288 into 4, that is 1152. Hence 1152 is the smallest 4-digit number which is divisible by 18, 24 and 32. 10th question, find the LCM of the following numbers. So we will find the LCM of 9 and 4. So LCM of 9 and 4 is 2 into 2 into 3 into 3, that is 36. Question 11, find the LCM of the following numbers in which one number is the factor of the other. So number is 5 and 20. So LCM of 5 and 20 is 2 into 2 into 5, that is 20. And LCM of 6 into 18. So 6 and 18 LCM is 2 into 3 into 3, that is 18. Next number 12 and 48. LCM of 12 and 48. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3, that is 48. Next is 12 and 5. LCM of 12 and 5 is 2 into 2 into 3 into 5, that is 60. LCM of 6 and 5 is 2 into 3 into 5, that is 30. LCM of 15 and 4 is 2 into 2 into 3 into 5, that is 60. Yes, in each case, the LCM of given number is the product of these numbers. Nine and 45 LCM, that is 3 into 3 into 5, that is 45. Hence, in each case, the LCM of given number is the larger number. When a number is a factor of other number, then their LCM will be the larger number. So this was exercise 3.7 of chapter 3, playing with number, NCERT solution of standard 6. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you. Please leave comment, questions or doubts in comment section if you have any, or you can drop a mail to us. You will find my email ID at the end of this video. You can also join us on Facebook page, follow us in Instagram, connect us on LinkedIn or tweet us on Twitter. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you.